Imagine two friends. Both earn the same salary. Both start working at age 25. 30 years later, one is financially free. The other is buried in debt. The shocking part? The difference wasn't intelligence. It wasn't luck. It was a handful of money habits. And today, you're about to learn them. Most people spend years learning math, but never learn how money actually works. That's why millions work hard every day, yet still struggle financially. Today we'll cover budgeting debt emergency funds, investing credit scores, financial protection, and one concept that can literally change your life forever. Most people think they have an income problem, but usually they have a behavior problem. Someone earning $3,000 monthly can become wealthy. Someone earning $30,000 can stay broke. Because wealth isn't built by income alone. It's built by habits. Think about this. Every day people spend money without thinking. Coffee, food delivery, online shopping, subscriptions they forgot they even had. One purchase isn't the problem. Thousands of tiny purchases are. Imagine a leaking bucket. One drop doesn't matter. But enough drops eventually empty the entire bucket. Money works exactly the same way. The first lesson of personal finance is learning the difference between needs and wants. Needs keep you alive. Wants make life enjoyable. The goal isn't eliminating all wants. The goal is controlling them. Because every dollar spent today is a dollar that can't grow tomorrow. A budget sounds boring, but it's actually freedom. Because when you tell your money where to go, you stop wondering where it went. One of the easiest systems is called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Simple, easy, effective. But wealthy people take it one step further. They follow a rule called pay yourself first. Most people save whatever remains after spending. Successful people save first and spend what's left. That single habit can transform your financial future, especially when it's automated. Life doesn't care about your plans. Cars break down, phones die, medical emergencies happen. Without savings, most people use credit cards, and that's where financial problems begin. That's why your first financial goal should be an emergency fund. Start with $1,000, then work toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. Think of it as a financial airbag. You hope you never need it, but you'll be grateful it's there. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to wealth, especially credit card debt. Imagine trying to run a race while carrying a backpack full of bricks. That's what debt feels like financially. Every month your money works for someone else, not for you. There are two powerful ways to eliminate debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on the smallest balances first. Quick wins create momentum. The avalanche method attacks the highest interest rate first. It saves more money mathematically. Which is better? The one you'll actually stick with. Because the perfect strategy means nothing if you quit. Everything we've discussed so far is important. But this next concept changes lives. Compound interest. Imagine planting a tree. At first it grows slowly, then branches appear, then more branches. Eventually growth explodes. Money behaves the same way. When you invest, your money earns returns. Then those returns earn returns. Then those returns earn even more returns. That's compound growth. This is why starting early beats starting big. Someone investing a small amount at age 20 can outperform someone investing much larger amounts at age 40. Time is the real superpower. Not income, not intelligence, time. Many people think investing is gambling. It's not. Gambling depends on luck. Investing means owning productive assets. When you buy stock, you own part of a real business. The key isn't finding the perfect investment. The key is diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket, because nobody can predict the future perfectly. Diversification protects you from being wrong. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your financial life. A good score can save thousands of dollars. A bad score can cost thousands. The biggest factor? Paying bills on time. Simple, but incredibly powerful. One late payment can follow you for years. Here's the truth. Financial freedom isn't built overnight. It's built one decision at a time. Budget, save, eliminate debt, build your emergency fund, invest consistently, protect your future. Repeat. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. A few people will take action. Years from now, their lives will look completely different. The question is, which group will you be in? If you found value in this video, subscribe for more practical lessons on money, investing, and building wealth. And remember, your future is being created by the financial decisions you make today.